Hey Ron, what's in your pouch?
How could you do this to me? Question mark.
Don't let it fall off the couch. Instead, Frank's gonna kill it.
Punch me. Oh my gosh, why did you do that? That hurt.
Go get the ball. Go get the ball. You were a retriever. You're a
I had you looking in the wrong section. How could I be so stupid?
Hi, ma'am. How are you today?
You can back up a little bit.
So what are you gonna say at my funeral now that you've killed me?
Oh. Hello.
What did they do? Alright, let me get you a little bit of I'm taking a nap!
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
Good night.
Oh yeah, belly rub. Belly rub. You like that? Yeah, you do.
I love you. I love you. I love you. He said I love you, right? I love you too.
We're gonna try it again. Okay, Peanut. Come here. No.
I'm so fucking sick of being goddamn fat! I just wanna be skinny! I wanna fit in my little skinny shorts!
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
Beautiful tits and wreck. Love it.
I keep that MF thing on me.
Oh my god. I'm gonna lose my Want to go for a walk?
Cool. He's big too.
Now he's crying.
Sam, I've got a treat for you.
Oh yes. Squishy, squishy. Squishy, squishy. Squish.
No. No.
Tell me you're annoyed with your baby without telling me you're annoyed with your baby.
How are you gonna get down? Yeah? This is a process. Oh my god, Jordan. What are you
or no?
Be nice. Stop.
Nice, Ryan.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to.
No, look at me like that again, please. Hey, let me see how you were looking at me when I wasn't even looking at you. Are you gonna kill me? They'll find this on my phone.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
Oh my god. Oh, what a good. Oh, there's two. Oh
Woo! Not today. You ain't coming down my field. Check on the playboy.
Do you feel manhandled or monkey handled?
Зайка моя, мой любимый мальчик. Это мой мальчик.
You hungry?
What? Hey, you know anything about this? Hey, you know anything about that? Okay.
Mother, I crave violence.
Mira un Michi. ¡Ah! ¡Me lo robé! Baby. Can we cuddle?
No.
Yeah. Can we cuddle?
No.
Yes. Why are you shaped like that, dude?
What happened?
Achoo!
I hope that answers your question. You're done.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm good. Look at me slobber on you.
You know how a cat likes its steak?
Rare.
Hello?
First you do the big stretch, then you do the... Ooh.
Oh, hello. Have you got hiccups? Have you got hiccups? Oh, beautiful girl. He's out for the count.
Just like everyone
I'm gonna put you down for 1 minute. Can I pet you?
See, it's your brother. Oh, whoa! He's born!
I made my bed. It's so pretty and clean and lumpy. Maybe possessed. Is he upside down? I'm a snake.
Right, I'm gonna let you in, but do not climb up that curtain. Got it?
If you're happy and you know it, say I will. If you're happy and you know it, say I will.
My dog keeps trying to escape. Oh. Here he comes, my lump of a brother. Come on, you fat. Pull. Dear God, you really are a waste of oxygen.
Dude, I just spent like 10 minutes looking for her. Hi! You're so sneaky.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb ho-
Hello, Peanut. Hi, buddy. Hi, little man.
Oh my god!
No, this isn't even a real Barbie. You've got a real Barbie at home that Santa gave you a few weeks ago.
Santa got me a fat Barbie. I'm in a skinny Barbie.
It's not fat.
Get it, buddy, get it. Come on, boy. Oh my god, you look so stupid.
Ah, human, I see you are putting on your outdoor feet. May I accompany you? If you say no, I will scream.
If you touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching.
Nobody asked.
This is incorrect. Get your tail on the correct side, my guy. There we go.
Just stepped outside and somebody left a loaf of bread in my yard. Look at you, why are you so fat?
What I mean when I say it's terrifying when my dog opens a door.
Oh my god, that is horrifying.
What you did was very baller. It was very anarchist.
Yeah. Come.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna snitch on you.
Well, I hope not, because I'd f***ing kill your family.
What?
Behind every mentally ill woman is a cat following her to the bathroom.
She doesn't really care what you do to her as long as you're petting her, like...
Oh my gosh!
Thấy chưa mày? It's that game mày. Line.
Oh, okay. Sick.
I have chicken nuggets.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe I got this on video.
Yo, what is wrong with you? What is it? Get out of it! And coming and don't bite me. Do not.
Act crazy. Yeah, I'm going to my room. This is out of control. It's just ghetto here.